How to see your orders on Amazon shopping app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Amazon app, as you can see right here. This is the home page now, as you can see. Now all what you have to do to find your orders, go down here, click on your profile. Now after you click on your profile, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is simple. Scroll down and go right here to your account and swipe right until you find your orders. Click on your orders, and now as you can see right here you will find your orders, and you can now continue shopping or filter or search on your orders. It's so easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe.